Oh, welcome back, Freshwater Fishing Novices new viewers. I got some stuff, mainly tools and stuff like that, but I'm going to do some through-hull wiring. We've got my trolling motor. I got to wire it up. So I want to plug it in to this little receptacle that's going to have this guy in it. You can see that? So that's going to sit nice and flush. I was going to do it against this part of my kayak. Let me see if I can show you this. It's got these ridges and they go all the way down, so that's not going to sit flush. So I had to figure out another thing or an alternative, and I'm thinking I go right through this side right here and just have this plate mounted like that, and then I plug straight into it, and then all my wiring's on the inside in here. So that's my plan of attack. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole in that little thing. So close. I'm going to file this out and get it down to where it should be. Alright, so I've got this hollowed out and smoothed out. Now the casing for it slides right in, nice and tight. Uh-oh, is that not lining up? Looks like I might have to cut a little bit more. See, it's not going in right here. So, mark that. Now I'll cut that down. This didn't really come with instructions, so I'm kind of just delving around here trying to figure it out. This sucks because I'm not left-handed. I hope that's closer to the mark. Let's give it a little one of these. So I'm just looking for positive and negative right here. Positives right here, negatives right here. It's listed right there. So I want that to be like this because I want the red wire to run along here. I'm not sure why, but I think it's because the fuse breaker is going to be here. I want the black one over here. And so I got to screw this in with these two little points right here with some screws, so we'll be back in 1 second with that. Okay, I got my hatch open so I can reach in here, stick my finger out, but I can also stick it in there. That sounded weird to say, didn't mean it the way that sounded. So this is the casing that keeps it waterproof when it's not plugged in. So this slides up, shuts like that. Now I just slide it in here, grab the wires and snake them around. And now I just gotta screw this thing on. Came with 4 little screws. So we'll put those in. A little hard to start, but I didn't pre-drill. I didn't want to. I'm just getting them started and then I'm going to tighten them all down. This one's a little bit tight. I'm going to reposition and put the boat against my legs so I can get some leverage. All right, it is nice and buttoned up. You can barely even tell what it is. The side of it says 50 volts on it. Let's move you. We'll take you on the inside of the kayak. So now what I'm looking at is I got the wires coming out the side right here. And what I want to do is I want to put this circuit breaker possibly right there. I think that might be the key. So I'm going to go ahead and screw that in. Okay, freshwater fishing novices. I messed up and I was hitting record, or I thought I was hitting record and I was actually hitting stop. So I messed up a bunch of footage yesterday. Probably no help from a fish whistle. So let's go over what we've done. So we got our little plug here, which we've saw. Okay. The other thing I did was I rigged up this part right from the wire. Now I can plug it straight in there. So that pops right in. Maybe I should show you that. Now we go to the inside of the hatch. What we'll show you is, you can see I got my positive going to the positive coming off of that, and I got my fuse breaker right here. If I need to pop it or flip it. And then this snakes down to another Anderson plug. What I'm going to have pop up right here is going to be the battery box. And you can see that there's an Anderson plug right attached to the battery box. So sweet hookup, because I can pull the box out of the kayak, bring it up to the penthouse, charge it up, bring it back down, put it in the kayak, and reconnect it very quickly. This is the whole point of me rigging this kayak, to make it quick. So drop the battery box in there, plug it in, plug that in with the trolling motor. I'm good to go. Firing on all cylinders. The only thing I need to do now is order that battery box, and I'm gonna do a 12 volt 100 amp hour lithium battery. I think it's a LiFePO4. Comes with the box. That's the build. Freshwater Fishing Novices, new viewers. I hope this gave you some confidence, some inspiration to mess with your kayak a little bit if you want to. You can do all the YouTube stuff if you want. Like, subscribe, comment. You don't have to if you don't want to. Most people don't. Who cares? Anyway, thanks for watching this week. I hope you guys have a good weekend, night, day, afternoon, evening. I don't know when you're watching this. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next week. Hopefully this works like I think it will. So high.